Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is XJAR protocol. XJAR protocol, you can earn 1% daily on your BNB. Join the most secure and transparent DeFi protocols on BNB chain. Start earning passive income with mathematically guaranteed returns. And next guys, you can connect your wallet. You can click here, then you can connect wallet. Now you can see this quick start guide. Connect your wallet, then you can link your BNB chain wallet securely. Make a deposit. Invest BNB with zero fees, earn daily. Get 1% daily ROI automatically. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this security first smart contract edited by leading security firm. So we go to security any details. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here security edit report, comprehensive analysis of XJAR protocol smart contract security, Hazy crypto security added independent smart contract security assessment. Our smart contract has been thoroughly audited by Hazy crypto, a leading blockchain security firm. The audit confirms the security efficiency and reliability of our protocol's implementation. So guys, you can press the button and see this full edit report. So guys, you can click here and see this page interface of full edit report. XJAR protocol users 22, input 30.94 BNB, output 2.47 BNB, total balance 34.90 BNB. You can check here states. You can see this. And next guys, we back to the home page and see this more detail. You can scroll down and see this contract overview. Contract name XJAR protocol, contract address. You can check here network, BNB chain, language, solidity, compiler setting, optimized 200 runs. This self edit reports documents our security analysis and best practices implementation. Key security features: no admin functions, immutable code, verified source code, deterministic reward. You can check here. Next, you can check here security analysis, redundancy protection, integer overflow and underflow, timestamp manipulations, block gas limit. And next, you can check here investment security, deposit protection, withdrawal security, ROI sustainability, investment risk. Disclaimer, you can check here this self-edit report is provided for informational purpose only while we strive to ensure security of our smart contract. No code is completely risk-free. Users should conduct their own research and understand the risk involved before participating in the proposal protocol. Next guys, we back to the home page and see this more detail. You can check here transparent, fully verified and open source code. Immutable contract ownership, renowned, sustainable, mathematically proven ROI model. And next guys, go to this project documentation. So guys, you can click here and see this how it works. So you can check here all documentation details. XJAR protocol overview. XJAR protocol is a decentralized investment platform built on the BNB chain. The protocol offers 1% daily ROI, 5-level referral system, transparent and verified, smart contract, no admin keys or backdoors, immutable code. And next you can check here how it works. Number 1, connect your wallet and deposit BNB. Number 2, earn 1% daily returns on your deposit. Number 3, compound or withdraw your earnings anytime. Number 4, share your referral link to earn additional reward. You can check here. Next you can see this the referral system. You can check here 5 levels. You can see level 1, you can get 5% of referral deposit. Level 2, you can get 3% of referral deposit. Level 3, 2% of referral deposit. Level 4, 1% of referral deposit. Level 5, 0.5% of referral deposit. So guys, you can invite your friend, then you can get bonus. Now you can see the security measure. Smart contract is verified on BSC chain. Code is immutable and cannot be modified. No admin functions or backdoors. You can check here. Next you can check here technical details. You can see these key functions. And next we back to the home page and see this more details. So guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. Guys, you can check here XJR Protocol Telegram group chat community is here. You can check here 1140 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group here. And next back to the home page. So guys, our video is finished. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.